Café Meeting.
Hello, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. Do you need anything?
Is this chair taken?
No. Please feel free to sit.
What's your name, if I may ask?
My name is Anna. Nice to meet you.
Where are you from originally?
I'm from Spain, but I work here at the moment.
Do you like coffee or tea more?
I prefer coffee in the morning.
Do you often come to this cafe?
No, this is my first visit.
What do you do for work?
I'm a Spanish teacher at a local school.
Do you enjoy teaching children?
Yes, I love working with kids.
Do you live near this place?
Yes, just around the corner.
It was nice meeting you. Can I have your number?
Haha! Here you go.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Chair. A seat for one person. Café. A small restaurant where you can buy drinks and snacks. Teacher. A person who helps students learn in school. Your listening question is: where is the woman from originally? Answer: she is from Spain. Office greetings.
Good morning. Are you that new guy?
Yes, this is my first day here.
What is your role in this office?
I'm an engineer here.
Which department do you belong to?
I work in the IT department.
Where did you work before this company?
I worked at a small local firm.
How long did you stay there?
I worked there for 2 years.
What made you join this company?
I wanted better career opportunities.
Do you live far from the office?
No, I live just 20 minutes away.
How do you usually commute here?
I usually take the bus every morning.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I often bring lunch from home.
Do you like the office so far?
Yes, it looks very comfortable.
Are your colleagues supportive?
Yes, they're so kind and helpful.
All right, I'll see you later.
Sure, have a productive day.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Colleague. A person you work with in an office. Commute. To travel from home to work regularly. Opportunity. A chance to do something better. Your listening question is: How long has the second man worked here? Answer. He said this was his first day at the office. University talk.
Hi. How are you doing today?
I'm great, thank you.
What subject are you studying?
I'm studying English literature.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, it's my favorite subject.
Who is your main teacher?
My teacher is Mr. Brown.
What time does your class begin?
It starts at 10 a.m.
How many students are in the class?
There are about 15 students.
Do you have many assignments?
Yes, we have essays weekly.
Are you going to have any exams soon?
Definitely, we are having one today.
Oh, I'm sorry for taking up your time. Keep up the good work.
No worries, see you around.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Literature. Written works such as novels and poetry. Assignment. A piece of academic work given to students. Library. A place where you can read and borrow books. Your listening question is: what time does the student's English class begin? Answer. It begins at 10 a.m. Park chat.
Hey, how are you this morning?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine. It's a good day for jogging, right?
Indeed. It's sunny and warm today.
Do you enjoy sunny mornings?
Yes, they give me energy.
Do you have water?
Yes, I bring my bottle of water with me.
Do you often jog here?
Yes, almost every morning.
Is this park usually crowded?
Not really. It is only crowded on weekends.
Do you listen to music while running?
Yes, soft music helps me.
Do you live close to this park?
Yes, about 10 minutes away.
All right, enjoy your jog. Bye.
Thanks, see you around soon.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Jog. To run slowly for exercise. Crowded. Full of people. Weekend. Saturday and Sunday, the end of the week. Your listening question is: how long does it take the man to get to the park? Answer. It takes him about 10 minutes. Train station.
Good morning. Where are you traveling today?
I'm going to London.
What time does the train leave?
It leaves at 9 a.m.
Is this train a direct one?
Yes, it's a direct train.
Do you travel often by train?
Not so often, a few times a year.
Do you like traveling by train?
Yes, it feels comfortable.
Do you carry heavy luggage?
No, just one small bag.
Do you usually book early?
Yes, I book online early.
How long is the journey?
It's about 3 hours.
Have a safe trip. Goodbye.
Thank you. See you later.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Direct train. A train that goes straight without changing. Luggage. Bags and suitcases you take when traveling. Journey. The act of traveling from one place to another. Your listening question is: how long does the woman say the train journey will take? Answer: she says it will take about 3 hours. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.